Namaste, sir. Very good
Namaste,
morning.
namaste. Morning.
Sir, so today I do not have as such any questions for you, but I would like
Oh,
to
wonderful.
take permission, and I want to speak today. Uh, so
Oh, lovely. That is really nice.
yes, sir. So today being the last day of our serial of precursor to the forthcoming session on how to handle boss, and I would like to share my views based on the four interactions which I had with you, sir. The first thing I would like to say is lucky are those who have viewed our interactions on YouTube, and further luckier are those who dare to join this particular session of yours. Apart from that, I'm very clear and conscious while using the word dare, uh, you know, in my previous statement, and I've just come out from the cocoon of studentship to the corporate world. And the way, sir, I'm comfortable here at my, at my workplace. And that is also because I dared to join your mission 2 years back. And that is why I'm such comfortable over here. And I dared to think something different between the herd of students. Actually, when everybody were having their own opinion, my opinion, I dared to choose the difficult path, and that is why I started believing in myself under your guidance, and this is my growth. The world is watching my growth right now, and I remembered the story of lion, sir. Why lion is the king of the jungle? I believe that lion is the king of the jungle because of its attitude and not because of its size or whatever. So in our world, that is in human world, I believe that yes, the person who has that attitude and does not uh, fall under that academical grades and degrees, PhDs and etc. So this is what makes the difference from the masses. My experience of handling this much of interviews, going and applying this much of interviews, uh, I I must frankly tell you that nobody has ever asked me my marks, my grades, my degree. So that is this is my experience, and because of the attitude only, they want me in their organization just because of my attitude, and this is the feedback of the recruiters. So, so this makes huge difference. And apart from that, sir, I would like to give a message to the audience that to all the students to remove your grade based attitude, come out from the cocoon and see the world beyond grades. I will not tell to join them. I know that they are not going to join, and they would consider this as a marketing. But no, uh, I am on a mission. Yes, sir, you are on a mission. Our team is on a mission, and because of that, I feel that I must do a missionary appeal to all the final year students. This session is of paramount importance and a unique one for your corporate journey, and not just corporate journey, wherever they go. And with that note, let me conclude, sir. I enjoyed posing these, critical questions to you, and believe me, I have got empowered more and more, and keenly looking, forward for this session, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
It's really nice when you say today I am going to speak, but I need to speak. One
Yes,
sentence only.
yes,
Basically, you are different from the masses. And when you quoted the example of lion, just like a lion who has a self belief that he can do it, you are filled with lot of self belief. You believe in yourself, and that is the fundamental difference which makes you different from the masses. and you got a self-belief because of, again, the training, and you dare. I like the word you
Yeah.
used by you. You dare to do something else than your academics, and that's the reason you are where you are. A lot of life is there for you. A lot of growth is there for you, and of course, you have appealed nicely to the students to join. And again, you said you will not join, and it's okay. They may not join. We should do our duty, like Gita. Karma kareja phalaki chinta mat kar. You are doing your duty. I am doing my duty. So it was, again, I enjoyed posing questions by you. You posed right questions. You tested me also, and so nice of you. And
Yes, yes.
so let's see. We'll meet. Let's see. Somebody, after viewing your video, some joins or not. We don't know. Okay. So test time. Destiny.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So
yes, sir.
really, Carol, nice to see you. See you on Sunday. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, all of
Sure,
you.
sure,
Thank
sir.
you, viewers. Thank you, viewers. If you want to join, do join. See the this pamphlet flyer designed by Kaira only. This flyer has been designed by Kaira.
Guided by
That
sir.
is, it's okay. That's the height of empowerment. He has done it himself because he believes in himself. He does the video editing of this video. That is, again, his empowerment. And that's a message to a lot of other students also. Thank you, Karan. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.